Hello guys, in this video we'll share with you how to read the Bitcoin charts on TradingView. We'll go with the one most important parts of analyzing the charts, how to find the Bitcoin chart, how to analyze the trend using pure price action analysis exactly as we analyze the charts without using any indicator, what are the type of charts and the time frames. So let's start with the most important part. First, we go to the plus icon next to the watch list, and from here we can search the trading pair that we want. So in this case, it's going to be the BTC USD, and we already have it here on OKX. Okay, so from here you can choose the pair that you wish. You can also see here the broker from where the pair is coming from Binance, from Bybit, and you can choose the one that you prefer. So let's start with now. Which time frame are you going to use when you analyze the chart? It depends clearly and purely from your own investment strategy. So if you're a long-term investor and you invest into crypto for the next, let's say now, 1 year to 5 year, okay, if you invest annually, then most probably you will read the charts minimum the uh, weekly to monthly, and then to year. Okay, we personally use all the charts when we are using short-term trades as swing trade, and we're using the daily and the 4 hours. Okay, so if you are looking to enter just to trade with leverage for a short period of time, let's say you will enter on a 47k and you are looking to exit once the price will go back to 50k or 56k, then most probably you will be looking into the daily. Okay, maybe you will go in the 4 hour chart just to see maybe an entry for your entry, then you will keep looking on the daily. So this is how we do it. When we trade short term, we're using the daily and the 4 hour. We're using the daily to analyze the chart to find a trade, and then we switch back to the 4 hour to find an entry for our trade. Now, if I mentioned earlier, if you're a long-term investor and you're looking to buy Bitcoin and holding for the next 2-3 years, then most probably you will just need the monthly and the 1 year chart. Okay, so one very important start, if you are looking to choose which one type of charts you will be looking, you have the candles, the most basically the most common one that most people use are the candlesticks and the line. We prefer the candlesticks because with the candlesticks you can see more information regarding the current time frame you are looking for. So as you can see from the line, you're just looking for lines, but when you go back and switch back to the candles, you can see the price, the opening, which was right here, and then you are able to see the closing, and even more important, you can see the lowest, the highest of that day. So if you are now looking at the daily, this is the opening that you can see right here on this chart right here, and this on the top, it was here it was the closing. Okay, but at the same time we are able to see the lowest of that day and the highest of that day. So this is give us a very important information, especially if you are trading short term and you are a swing trade or day trade. Candlesticks are one of the most common chosen by the finest traders. Okay, we personally using candlesticks for this reason, because of the information that we can get. Even the wicks are very important when you are analyzing the charts. We go through wicks and trading strategies in our videos. So if you are more interested about finding out what is our trade, what are we using exactly when we want to trade, we will have a link on the top of this video so you can find out more regarding our strategy. Something also very important when you are trading is also the support and resistance levels. So you want to make sure that you highlight on your chart the correct support level and the current resistance level. So for the new traders here, support levels, it is a low level of the current price level of the Bitcoin. When we believe once the price will reach this support, most probably it will bounce back, as we have seen that from the previous past. Also, resistance is the opposite. It's when we are in an uptrend, we believe that when the price will reach this certain price level, most probably the price, once it will reach this level, it will bounce, okay? And again, we are able to find these levels from past indicators, past examples. So let's get it through. Let's give you one example, one very, very clear example. Is this level right here at 41K. You can see clearly that once the price reach multiple times, it bounced back. This is the daily candle, 8th of January, 9th of January, 10th of January. And what happened then? Very huge price drop. You can see how clearly how strong level is this one, 41K. Now, once we broke this level, we test again another one 3 times. Boom. We saw a very strong uptrend, okay? See how many times the price tested this and failed, okay? You can see from here, and once recently we managed to break through, we saw this uptrend that we are right now. The same applies to the resistance. Now, as we're going to the uptrend, we want to make sure that we know exactly what will be the next strong resistance level. And you can see here 51K. 51K is a very important level. Also, you can see there's another one right here, okay? But don't get a little bit anxious if you are not able to identify these levels from the beginning. You need time to practice to be able to identify the support and resistance levels. Everyone in the beginning might feel like I'm not able to find where are the resistance, where are the support. You will only be able to find and identify the correct levels once you will become more experienced. So the only way to find out is with practice. Multiple times. You can open the charts multiple times in the day, try to identify support and resistance, then delete the whole lines, the whole drawings from your chart, then again, do it again. And by doing it and practicing, then you will be able to identify the current price levels. As I mentioned, you can only find it by watching the past, okay? By reading the charts and identifying past strong levels, okay? So this is the support and resistance level, which is also very important. So that was our tutorial, guys, how to read the Bitcoin chart on TradingView. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions that we didn't cover on this video, please make sure to comment below your question, okay? We'll be happy to assist you. Also, these are the most important parts. This is what you need when you want to read the chart, the most important at least, so you can start and keep going and keep learning. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to our channel. Cheers.